The RedMagic 8 Pro series is now officially as the most involved form of its premium Android mobile line to date. The brand asserts that the two new smartphones go beyond the traditional esports heritage with a more streamlined, futuristic design and rear cameras that may be taken seriously for once. Then again, the 8 Pro Plus goes back to its roots somewhat with a charging tech and an RGB light active fan to help keep the phone cool. Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus is a premium gaming smartphone from ZTE. It is the successor of the RedMagic 7S Pro released by the company beginning of 2022. This phone shares some similar features as the RedMagic 7S Pro, but now features a chipset with newer CPU cores and a more powerful GPU. The smartphone has dual SIM and stereo speakers, one at the bottom and the other at the top. The volume and power buttons are on the right side of the frame, while the USB Type-C port and microphone are at the bottom frame of the phone. It has no micro SD card slot, but there is a 3.5mm headphone jack port. A flat frame in both devices housing 520Hz shoulder triggers, so you don't need to connect any additional triggers for playing games. Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus has a 6.8 inches AMOLED display with FHD 24 pixels display resolution that supports a 120Hz refresh rate. The front screen is flat, has very tiny bezels and has an under-display camera technology. This allows users to have access to the full screen as there is no punch hole or cutout notch on the screen. The battery inside the phone is a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 165 watt fast charging. It does not support wireless charging and you can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in less than 15 minutes using the 165 watt charger. But I will test the charging speed in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus boots RedMagic UI based on Android 13 out of the box. For its performance, the Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This is a 5G chipset that is built on TSMC's second generation 4nm processor technology. It features an octa-core CPU and the Adreno 740 GPU. The CPU has one 3.2 GHz Cortex-X3 performance core. This gaming phone will get about 3 years of major software updates and security patches from ZTE. You can download and install app from the Google Play Store on this phone and even download major updates over OTA. Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus has a triple rear camera system and a single front camera. The 16 megapixel front camera is placed under the display of the phone, which gives the screen full space for users to enjoy, and literally the screen looks awesome without front camera punch hole or cutout camera. Let's talk about back camera module. It has a 50 megapixel main camera that is supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Now it's time our sponsor. Nowadays, many of websites know your locations through your IP address. Your IP address reveals your location and these websites often store all your data. The country and the region you are visiting the websites from is known to them and VPN hides it. It hides your IP address. In my opinion, the best VPN app is NordVPN, which I use it regularly because I live in China, and in China many websites are blocked such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. NordVPN is one of the only VPNs that work even in countries like China. NordVPN helps to unblock the blocked websites everywhere. NordVPN has sponsored this video, so there's a big discount for you guys. If you use my referral link and purchase the 2-year plan, first you would get a big discount and then you will also get 2 or 3 months free. And the best thing is that they give a 30 days money back guarantee. You can try for 30 days to see. If you don't like it, they will return your money. The link is in the description. Now it's time to back to our video. The 50 megapixel main camera can record steady videos in 8K resolution and 4K 60 fps, while the 16 megapixel front camera can only record videos in 1080p resolution. Other camera features are dual LED flash, HDR, panorama, gyro EIS, etc. I personally don't like the quality of front camera. It's too shaky and dark. It gives me dull look. The front camera should at least have 32 megapixel lens, then the quality of the video should be better. But the back camera system is much better than my expectations because gaming phones companies don't put efforts on the camera side. However, this one is different. But when I am shifting the lens, this gives shaky footage and changing the colors. On the other side, during I'm running, the footage is not that much shaking. The stabilization is working well. The Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus non-transparent price is about 5200 RMB and $760 for the model with 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. But the RedMagic 8 Pro Plus transparent model price is about 5400 RMB and $790, while the model with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage is sold for 5800 RMB and $841, but transparent model is about 6000 RMB and $870. Available colors are black and cyber neon. The Nubia RedMagic 8 Pro Plus was launched in China on December 26, 2022. Pre-orders already started and the phone is expected to start shipping out by January 2023. I hope you are gonna to do like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.